Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's close to my heart: accessibility. We will learn how to build accessible React components that ensure your apps are usable by everyone, including users with disabilities. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create inclusive WCAG compliant applications. Let's get started. Before we jump into coding, let's talk about why accessibility matters. Over 1 billion people worldwide live with some form of disability. By building accessible apps, we ensure that everyone, regardless of their abilities, can use our products. Accessibility isn't just a nice to have, it's a must have. Plus, it's a legal requirement in many countries. So, let's make the web a better place for everyone. First, let's set up a basic React project. If you already have a project, feel free to skip this part. Open your terminal and run. This will create a new React project. Now let's start building accessible components. Let's start with a simple but crucial component, an accessible button. Buttons are everywhere and they need to be usable by everyone, including screen reader users and keyboard only users. Here's how to create one. Key points. Use ARIA dash label to provide context for screen readers. Ensure the button is focusable with attribute tab index is equal to 0 in curly brackets. Use semantic HTML tag button instead of tag div for buttons. ARIA Accessible Rich Internet Applications. Roles and attributes help make complex components accessible. Let's add ARIA attributes to a drop-down menu. Key points. Use ARIA-expanded to indicate the drop-down's state. Use role equal to menu and role equal to menu item to define roles for screen readers. Keyboard navigation is essential for users who can't use a mouse. Let's make our drop-down menu keyboard accessible. Key points. Add on key down event handlers for keyboard interactions. Ensure all interactive elements are focusable with attribute tab index equals 0 in curly brackets. Let's test our components for accessibility. Use tools like Lighthouse in Chrome DevTools, X DevTools for automated testing, screen readers like NVDA or VoiceOver for manual testing. Run Lighthouse and check the accessibility score. Fix any issues if highlights. And that's it. You have learned how to build accessible React components that are inclusive and user friendly. Don't forget to download the code from GitHub link given here and practice these components. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more web development content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding!